And what this kit also offers is you get 100 free product credits, which is like oil money in your oil bank account. You save over $228. Hey, this is Lance McGowan and
Molly Simpson.
And today we're talking about the Natural Solutions Kit and a couple of featured products all up in here. And it's the Lumo Diffuser and the wooden box that it's standing on. But before we talk about that, there's a problem that we have to address. And that's synthetic solutions come with side effects and can lead to liver and kidney toxicity over time. So don't mean to be a downer, but that's just the truth.
Yeah, sad truth that it is. The solution is a natural solutions kit because you can learn how to become a healer in your own home through replacing the synthetic and toxic with natural solutions.
That's right. And one great replacement is the Lumo Diffuser that's featured in this kit. So can you give us a little product demo? And
I sure can.
Yeah.
So this is called the Lumo from doTERRA. I love this diffuser. It's my favorite diffuser, and I've tried a lot of diffusers, and I have a lot of diffusers, and I like to have a diffuser in every room. But they came out with this one last year. It's very sleek, as you can see. It has a nice wooden base here, very easy to fill. So you just take the top off right here. You have your cup of filtered water. You put that in. You don't want to go above. There's a little red dot in there. I don't know if you can see that, but you don't want to go above that or it won't work well. And then you're going to pick your oil that you want. We're going to pick wild orange today because this oil is very uplifting to the mood. We call it the happy oil. And it also cleans the air in your home naturally. So we just love this oil, and I think everyone does. So I'm just going to put 3 to 4, maybe 5 drops in there. And then I will put the lid back on here. My granddaughter loves to do this with me. She loves to go around and fill up all the diffusers and pick what oils that she puts in each one. Make sure I get that on there right. And then here we have our buttons here. So we have a 2-hour, a 5-hour, and a 10-hour setting. So you can pick how long you want your diffuser to run. I typically just pick the 10 hours because I like it to go all day. And then it has this light. So I turn the mister on. You can see it's starting to mist. So it's a very cool fine mist. This actually puts out pretty well though. So this covers a 300 to 400 square foot room. And then what my granddaughter likes to do, and I like to do, we like to pick our colors. So this is the white light. You hit it once and it will start to change colors. So this is kind of the blue, it goes into the purple, and if we wait a minute, it's going to go into green and all the fun colors. Now if you want it to stay on a particular color because you have your favorite color, my granddaughter's is pink. She always sets it to the pink. See, there we go, we're with the green now. So I'm just going to leave it on alternating because usually we have to stick with pink because that's what she likes. So love this diffuser, and I have this one going in my living room, so it just smells great in the living room when people come in.
that's awesome. Yeah, and what's great about this, again, it's a cold mist, suspends the essential oil and water particles in the air, and covers a nice square foot radius. And so you can basically use this perfect for living room, kitchen, bedroom, and this is an amazing diffuser that comes with this kit. All right, so the other product we're going to talk about is the wooden box that comes with the kit as well. So when we open this up, it's empty. That's because we will put these essential oils in there. And you can see the essential oils have little stickers on them, which comes with the kit as well. So you can put the stickers on there, and so that when you put the oil bottles in there, you could know what you're pulling, because you don't want to pull blind and you're like, what did I get? It's kind of like, a guessing game. You don't want that with this. You want to play the no game.
Not like the chocolates where you have to guess what's in the middle?
Oh, yeah, right. Yeah, that's a fun game, kind of, But we don't play around when it comes to our health, so. But we do like chocolates, though. Chocolates are amazing.
Healthy ones.
Yeah, and so this is what a box looks like when it's brand new. And let me show you what a box looks like after it's been used and abused.
For 4 years, mind you. He's been carrying this one all over town, traveling with it.
Yeah, it's got like stains on it. The top fell off, but yeah, I used it so much that Yeah, and I haven't done anything. I need to just buy another one, but I haven't just because I love it. But yeah, I think this fell off after like year 2 or 3. But I'm just showing you this to know that I use mine a ridiculous amount. But then also, nothing lasts forever, but it does last a really long time. So that's really nice, and it's an amazing box. I love it. It's very stylish and very chic as well. And so this is good to just kind of carry. I do have other carrying cases that are a little bit more durable too, like the fabric ones, but even the styrofoam in there. But just it's good. It's a good problem to have because I just use my stuff so much that it just gets worn out. So,
Right. And a lot of times we have people that purchase essential oil kit and they're like, well, where do I put these in? They always want to find some cute little box to put the oils in. So this one is perfect for a starter. And then as you get bigger, then you might want to go bigger. If you look in the background there, I got a bigger container, go, woo, there you go.
Oh.
So even this doesn't cover all my oils and all my collection and all my roll-ons and that, but it is a great kit for me to at least showcase and demonstrate to people so they have a lot of different essential oils to smell before they choose what kit is good for them.
And there's the other carrying case that I have that comes with the every oil kit. That's the one I have as well, and that it holds almost all of them, but not all of them either. So there's always trade-offs you have with regards to
Every year, doTERRA is adding a couple new oils and maybe a blend or two, so it's always growing. So
yeah.
So we say, why doTERRA? And speaking of that, why doTERRA, Lance?
Well, yeah, that's a common question, and the reason why I chose doTERRA is because it's the largest, most trusted, and most transparent essential oil company that I was able to find. They're debt-free, so there's no outside interest or funding, so they can focus on just creating the world's highest quality essential oils and other products as well. And the founders, there's 7 of them. They have over 150 years of experience, so this is not their first rodeo when it comes to the essential oil industry, and so you're definitely in good hands with regards to that. And the CPTG quality standard is really what stands out amongst all the other companies out there, because it means that the oils you get are going to be beyond organic and that you're going to get consistent results every time so that you can have a positive experience. And so that's so important, right? We don't skimp out on the quality of our vacations or home or clothes or cars because we want a quality experience. I mean, we want a good deal, but we want a quality experience. And when the oils are the highest quality, that makes sure that we get that positive experience each and every time.
Definitely. So why choose us over other people? I mean, that's probably a question that you might have. I know for me, I've been with doTERRA for 5 years now, and I really came in the beginning wanting to teach people how to improve their health. Not only with the essential oils, which were new to me at that time, and I was amazed about all that they could do, but we also teach people how to eat right and eat better to improve their health. We really focus on a whole food, plant-based diet, and that, along with the essential oils, really can up-level your health in some amazing ways. I know you've been with doTERRA for over 4 years now. You have a ton of videos on YouTube. You do a lot of classes online. Locally, we do classes. We do Skype with people and email. So it's really important for us to be very quick on emails, on replying, whether it is email or text or Skype or through Facebook or whatever. So you get the knowledge and the questions answered so you can really start using your oils right away, feeling confident using your oils. Don't make any oil mistakes, although I can't promise you because we've all made a little oil boo-boo now and then, but that's super important. We really don't want this to be a one-time transaction. So when you purchase your essential oil kit, we really want to build a relationship with you. We want to help you, walk alongside you in your health journey, and really support you in where you want to go as you learn about doTERRA's amazing lifestyle supplements and essential oils.
Yes, and from a practical standpoint, that means doing the wellness consult that we offer complimentary for our clients, and that's just where you learn how to use all the oils and supplements that you just bought in your Natural Solutions kit, but then also how to maximize your membership so you get the most savings possible, because there's lots of information out there on the loyalty rewards program and all on this kit and everything, and we just don't want you to have to feel overwhelmed or feel like you have to memorize anything. So we cover that in another conversation after this.
Yes, definitely. And so when you're learning all this information, you see this kit here, then you're asking yourself, why now? When should I jump into this kind of lifestyle and jump into purchasing one of these kits? What would you tell people?
Well, what I tell people is that, procrastinating or ignoring our problems doesn't make them go away. And what we do know is that Murphy's Law says that anything that can go wrong will go wrong, and our health is not any exception to that. And so, do you get car insurance after you get into a car accident? And the answer is no, because it's illegal to ride dirty and drive without insurance. And so we don't want to ride dirty with our health. We want to ride clean, eat clean, use green supplements and all these items that support our health. And so the main point is that we want to be proactive, not reactive with regards to our health. And that's going to help ensure that you have the best chance at increasing your quality of life or the quality of life of your family. And what this kit also offers is you get 100 free product credits, which is like oil money in your oil bank account. You save over $228. And then your membership fee is waived, which is nice. So you save $35 for anyone living in the US. International, you also save on the membership fee as well. And then you also start off by getting 15% back on anything you buy in the loyalty rewards program, which is like a frequent flyer or hotel rewards program. And so most people start off as a wholesale customer and they get 25% off, which is great. And then on top of that, with the loyalty rewards program, you get additional 15% off on any future purchase outside of the kit. And so that means that you get 40% off with the option of getting up to 55% off, making the oils extremely affordable, and kind of takes that whole like, hey, these are too expensive right out the door because of the amount of savings that you get. And when you include the shipping rewards and the free product of the month and the quarterly specials as well, I mean, I get over $500 in free oils every year, and it's because of taking advantage of all these offers, and they're really generous offers as well that just reward you for taking care of your health. So it's great.
Yeah, it's really awesome. I know I've received a ton of free products just taking care of my own health. It was doTERRA has rewarded me with lots of amazing products. This diffuser is one, just amazing. I actually purchased this in a diffuser, which made this diffuser actually free, so that's amazing as well. But I also can get free product credits for purchasing it as well. So the savings are just amazing. And so when people say essential oils are too expensive, especially doTERRA because of the highest quality, we talk about all the benefits, and then they start realizing that the essential oils are not too expensive when we're replacing it with costs, and we're getting all this free stuff that we would buy anyway, but we're replacing it with something that's natural and safe and effective.
That's right. That's absolutely true. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like the video if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future. And then also, most importantly, make sure to click the link in the description below so you can see how you can get this kit and get the most savings and 100 product credits and even free gifts that we offer on top of all of that. And so you can see what's best for you or your family, or check out some of the other kit offerings as well. And other than that, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.